Hello and welcome to a 3-minute cardistry tutorial. Today we have a simplified version of Sybil by Chris Kenner, so it's sort of a classic cardistry move. I'm going to start by picking up the deck in your opposite hand and breaking off a packet with your index finger. You can then connect that to the back of the index finger in your main hand. Pull your hand backwards and that will swivel the packet forward into the palm of your main hand. Then you can repeat that motion, so breaking off another packet with the same index finger. And you're then going to connect that to your thumb. So this packet should now be connected between both of your thumbs. You can release with your index and swivel that packet forward, but maintain that connection, and it's going to swivel all the way around, clearing that top packet. And it's going to rotate under and now become the middle packet. Your thumb can then connect the top of that packet to your index finger. And then you're going to sort of rotate your right wrist a little bit. And the top packet now is going to swivel downwards. And then in your main hand, you're going to use your middle and thumb to grip that top packet. You can grab that completely out of the other hand and swivel that around, now becoming the middle packet, and then simply dropping that onto the deck. And then you can finish off the cut by bringing your thumb back to the bottom of the deck and then squaring up all of the packets like so. So we'll run through that quickly again. Again, you're going to start off by picking up the deck in your other hand. You're going to start with swiveling a packet between your index fingers, then swiveling another packet between your thumbs, clearing that top packet completely, bringing it back under, connecting that to your index, rotating your hand, then using your middle and thumb to grab that packet, bringing it around to the deck, and then closing off the move by bringing your thumb to the base of the deck. So feel free to grab a deck, try it out yourself, or you can always save this video for later. Thanks for watching.